Hi, this is Survey of Math Sets Module point 3, S.3. And we're going to talk about shading Venn diagrams right now. Hopefully you have already read the Learn portion and taken some notes on that. We'll work through this worksheet together. If you don't have one of these worksheets, you'll want to check with me or your instructor and get one. And we'll just walk through what each of these Venn diagrams is depicting depending on the shading. This first one, we have the universal set, and it looks like something different, so I'm going to put that curly Q U up here. And this is your set A. Everything in this circle is in set A. Set B, everything in this circle is in set B. Now you notice that this is everything that's in A is shaded, everything that is in B is shaded. That is depicting A union B. Now the one right next to it, make it look just like the other one. The stuff that is shaded is what is not included in A or B. So we still have this A union B going on, but it's the complement of that set. So that's what that little line means there, is the complement, or the what's not a part of this set. So anything that's in A or anything that's in B is not included in the set that we're talking about, the set of numbers. The universal set, here's A, here's B. Do you notice these look exactly the same as far as the circles are concerned? But now what is shaded is what is in A and also in B. Remember that word and? Talks about the intersection. A intersection B. And that's what this Venn diagram depicts, is the intersection of set A and B. If you look right next to it, we have the very same setup, except what is shaded is what is not in that intersection. So A intersection B, complement. This is just A. Only what is in the set A is shaded. This is the complement of set A. And I don't have any parentheses around it because there's only one element here. Well, now we come to one that's a little bit different. This one depicts that A is a subset of B. It means that everything that's in A, actually it's a proper subset also. Okay. Everything that's in A is also a part of set B. So that means that that's a subset. And because of that, we can say this is just set A. But it looks different because there's nothing in A that isn't also a part of B. So we had to draw the circles differently. And on this last one, oops, I should have made these all the curly QU, because that curly QU doesn't look like a union symbol, just so you know why I'm being picky about that. Here we have sets that are disjoint. They don't have, A and B don't have anything in common. So I don't have any kind of intersection. If I wanted to think about a disjoint set, I could say these are all of the consonants in the alphabet, and these are all the vowels. All right. So now this is the union of A and B. Everything that's in A and everything that is in B is included, and there isn't any overlap or intersection. But I want to do one more thing, and this will help me know that you actually have gone through this with me. Here's A, here's B. There's still disjoint sets. But if I wanted to show the intersection of two disjoint sets, A intersection B, what am I going to shade? Nothing, because there is no intersection. So the intersection of two disjoint sets is the empty set. And that's just a real quick overview of shading Venn diagrams.